Hello everyone, and in this video we will learn how to use the choose formula in Excel, which is an extremely powerful formula and can do wonders. Alright, so let's see what it can do. I have applied the choose formula over here. So it actually based on references returns, it's a lookup formula, and based on the references returns the relative values, like 1 is for Alan, 2 is for Bob, and 3 is for Carol. So if I type 1 over here, it will give me Alan. If I type 2 over here, it will give me Bob, and 3 as Carol. Because it, not because it's linked with Alan, Bob, Carol with 1, 2, 3. No, the way these values are placed in the formula, that causes them to come in a specific sequence. So what we have done is that to have this result, we applied the choose formula, and it's always asks for an index number. So say our index number is over here, and then value 1, 2, and 3. So if you're looking for value 1, then you have to enter value 1 in the formula appropriately. So Alan would be value 1, comma, Bob would be value 2, comma, Carol would be value 3. If you enter Carol instead of Bob earlier, then value 2 would become Carol. Like we will see that. So 2 is Bob, 3 is Carol. Now what I'll do is I'll do it differently. Choose index number is here, comma, value 1 is this, comma, value 2 I choose as Carol, and value 3 is Bob. Now see, though the sequence is Alan, Bob, and Carol over here, but in the formula 3 is being represented by Bob, and 2 is by, and 2 is being, sorry, and 2 is being represented by, what am I doing? 1 is Alan, 2 is 0, 3 is Bob. So it's a very relative formula. So why it is showing a 0? Because it's a H9. I chose the wrong cell. So it's a very relative formula. 2 is Carol, 3 is Bob. Now, this formula can not only look up things, it can execute formulas also based on a reference. Say, I say when 1 is written over here, it will do the sum of these things. When 2 is written over here, it is do the average of these things. When 3 is written over here, it will do find the minimum value of these 3. See, how do I do that? Is equal to choose index number is this, comma. So the first of 1, we want sum. So let's type in the sum first, sum of this thing, comma. For second, we want average. So we are typing in average of this again, comma. Third, we want min, the lowest value of this. Close the bracket. So as soon as we see the 3 over here, it gives you the lowest value of these 3, which is 35. 2 would give you the average. The average is 45. 1 would give you the sum. The sum is 135. See, this is how we use the choose formula. It's a very powerful formula. Do practice it. See you in the next video.